Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Judy's behind the camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We are making a Korean tuna bowl today, and I don't know about you, but grocery prices for us just seem to be going up and up and up, and I just need something inexpensive for dinner tonight. Guys, this is gonna be super easy. The only cooking is making your rice, so make sure you get your rice started right away. So the Koreans make I want to call it a sushi roll, but it's not really sushi because everything in it is cooked. It's called kimbap. And they use rice and veggies and sometimes a cooked meat or a cooked seafood, and they roll it up like sushi and they cut it up. But you all know I can't be bothered with that. And so that's where this tuna bowl comes in, because it uses all the ingredients that would go into a kimbap into a bowl. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe for more simple food ideas. So there's just a couple of things to chop up. I have one green onion. I'm just gonna chop that up. I'm also using a Korean sweet pickled radish, and this is totally optional. We like the sweet and pickly flavors that we're going to add to our bowls. And I'm just going to chop one up. And again, if you don't want it, you can totally omit it. And probably the most expensive ingredient in this dish is avocado. But again, you don't have to use it. I love avocado, and so does the rest of the family. And so we are using it. But again, it's optional. Actually, every ingredient in this tuna bowl is optional except for, well, the tuna. So I'm just going to thinly slice this. This is kind of like my recipe for deconstructed California roll. We're essentially deconstructing a kimbap here. So I've got a bowl of rice, and this is just plain rice, no seasoning or anything like that, but I am going to add some furikake. And furikake is just like a seaweed seasoning. It's got spices, sesame seed, and other flavors in there that just flavor the rice. And we're just gonna open up a can of tuna. I'm using a Korean tuna that is stored in sesame oil, and only because Dude requested it. Otherwise, you can just use regular tuna, drain it, add some sesame oil to it. And we're just gonna put that right on top of the rice with all the juices. Oh, it smells so yummy.
See, I told you it's superior. It's the right tuna for the job.
Can you eat all that, Dude?
Watch me.
We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, just a drizzle, some soy sauce, also just a drizzle, some black pepper. Next we have Japanese mayo, which is more eggy than regular mayo. And you can add as little or as much as you like. Add some pickles. A little bit of the green onion. We're also going to add some roasted sesame seeds. I'm going to fan out some of the avocado. This bowl serves one, but it only costs, I'm going to say $5, and without the avocado, probably $3. They're also serving it with some seaweed. And this is seasoned seaweed, but you can serve it with some nori. Now, I love tuna sandwiches, but Dude, this looks so much better and it's way more substantial. Dude will show you how to eat it. Are you all ready for?
This is the taste. I'm Dude, and this is a bowl of awesomeness. Simple, fast, and you know what? This would work for like college, university students, just putting all this stuff together with minimal cooking and going to town on all these flavors. So here we go. And got some of this seaweed, nori, and I'm gonna crunch some of these. Just sprinkle it around. I'm gonna mix it around. Here I go. It feels like I'm ruining some design, but just mix it around and get all the mayo and ingredients incorporated. Flavors, flavors, flavors. And you want it spicy, add your favorite chili sauce. I don't know, sriracha. And I'm thinking maybe experiment with some loganma chili oil too, chili crisp oil. Whatever you want. This is a democracy. It is a food democracy. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, creamy. And awesome flavor from the tuna with already built-in sesame oil. Add more sesame oil, and what do you get? Sesame oil ×2. Creaminess of the avocado makes it extra creamy with the mayo, the Japanese mayo. Good. Just like the deconstructed sushi. Whoa, get in there. Yeah, cheap and flavorful.
Awesome, thanks dude. I just had a bite off camera. Oh my goodness, it tastes like my favorite kimbap. I'm so excited. Of course, there's no real recipe to this, but if you need the ingredient list, check it out on FLO'S.com.